Welcome to Animal Alphabet A to Z. Talking animals alphabet learning with fun facts for kids. Proudly brought to you by smartschoolkids.com. Remember to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss out on new videos. Visit our website for more fun learning and entertainment materials.
Hi, I'm Zaxa the Xerus. I'm also called a Cape ground squirrel. I am native to South Africa and my habitats include savannas, woodlands, scrublands, and deserts. I eat seeds and nuts. Fun fact, I'm very social and live with my friends in underground burrows.
Hey kids! Remember to visit the Smart School Kids website for loads more fun.